How to add dual clock on lock screen in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your notification center and then press and hold on your screen and then click on customize. After clicking on customize, then click on lock screen and then remove your lock screen widgets. And if you want to add dual clock, then simply swipe down and then click on clock, and here you can add multiple clocks. Now add this clock. It's a different country's clock and it will add it on your lock screen and then click on done. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.